I think AOD is a solution that has been created. I joined 4 months ago, so its history 2007. I think was the first mover or one of the first movers. It doesn't matter. And now what I'm seeing is that basically we are entering the next phase, and we have to anticipate the next sort of evolution, which is, let me call it Programmatic 2.0. I know it's a little bit of an ugly term to use, but ultimately it's all about data-empowered marketing. And we've started doing this in programmatic in the narrow sense with media buys, automation, etc., targeting, and everything we know. But now we're seeing that ultimately we have to drive a convergence of all the means in marketing, and this on a very on a basis of highly sophisticated data intelligence. And basically also creating the processes so that we can align the creative and the content with the data and the channels, so that we ultimately distribute the right message to the right person at the right moment in time and at the right place. So I think the term trading desk is a very old. So that's gone, that's dead, the trading desk is dead. I would see ourselves more, if you asked me for a definition, more in the space of audience connectivity, kind of. So we are the ones who are there to really drive the connections between brands, businesses, and their audiences, and this in a always on or near to always on mode.
And Stephan, one other thing we've been talking to people about is the question of private exchanges versus the open exchange, and sort of where that's going in different markets and how you see that developing.
Well, frankly, I don't have one answer to that question. It's really, again, if you take the concepts of connecting audiences with brands and businesses, you have to make certain choices for your clients. We are there to serve our clients, deliver the best solutions. There's no one solution only, and that's what I'm very cynical and critical about in our industry, that it's always about or. It's an and so to make predictions is very, very hard. Also because my background is international, so I'm also very biased in terms of looking at sort of the markets having a plurality and a diversity, where the Westernish or very US-centric way to look at the world is just fundamentally wrong, because you find yourself in very different scenarios in every market in the world. So you will have to design, the models for each market, and respectively the clients you have and the clients you want to win. And so again, I cannot give you one answer to that question. It's impossible. They will all live and all have legitimation.